love and lose weight? It is not a myth. Hi, I'm Marcy. I'm the Fitness Baker, and welcome to the new members. I am just giving you something food for thought for the upcoming challenge where I am going to host on May 17th individual challenges in 3 areas. Monday morning, right? So mindset, which today is Mindset Monday, nutrition, and exercise. And in addition to that, again, we're going to be doing a live workout every week, once a week, that's going to sum up the exercises that I give you for the week, followed by a Q&A so you can ask me questions. What's going on? This is what happened, so I can give you that individual feedback. So today about love and lose weight, it's not a myth. And yesterday in church, they had actually, the minister talked about love one another. And in this day and age, I think even when I was all worked up last week, that when you are harboring any anger, resentment, hatred, any of those things, it is going to affect your vibration and it's going to affect you in a physical manner. So your emotions are going to really have an effect on what your health decisions are going to be for the day. So I know when I'm worked up and I feel yucky about something or I'm really pissed off at somebody, I have a tendency to either, eat not as good as I normally would have. I would probably make a bad decision on, the kind of food. So you might tend to overeat, and then the type of food that you have might be different. So, and then, if you just feel like, well, why bother? Somebody ticks you off, and then you kind of carry that and affects how you walk to the grocery store, how you interact with your mailman, or any of those things. However, if you were to stop and you were to feel love in your heart, it actually increases your circulation. So physically, you will look younger, you will have better skin tone, and you will be more approachable, attracting other people. In addition to that, feeling love and filling yourself with love, it's going to make you feel happier, and happier people make better health decisions. So it carries over where if you're in love, which is so wonderful, then, people are like, oh yeah, I'm not going to lose weight. Maybe you had a barrier to your health or barrier to weight loss. And because of all the stressful times, it's carried over into what you're doing physically, whether with what you do, just sit on the couch and watch Netflix, because again, that could be a totally understandable thing to do. But if you are not feeling that and you consciously make an effort to feel love, no matter what, no matter who, being forgiving, that's another whole thing. But one of the mindset challenges in this one of the challenges would be an example of this. Can you consciously go through your day today feeling love in your heart no matter what? So anybody who cuts you off, anybody who says rude words to you in judgment, anything that you've been feeling towards somebody else, can you let it go for today? See how you feel. Do you feel more energetic that you can go out for a better walk today? Are you able to experience maybe time in the garden, writing a letter to somebody, holding the door at the grocery store for somebody else? Again, social distancing, who the heck knows about that? But the generosity is going to make you healthier, and you potentially would lose weight. So that gives you an example. If you're like, well, what's a mindset strategy during this challenge? Like, what am I committing to? That, as small as it is, that's the little edge when you accumulate these types of habits and try to have it 80% of the time. That's when you will see results. So imagine 28 days of little habits, the reminder that you could do. What are you going to take from that challenge, and what's going to serve you long term? What changes your life? What gives you a little bit more of an edge in your own health and your own life that can be something that's not any extra money except the money you put into the challenge? But the payoff is going to be huge. And I know it's helped me. And I don't know if you guys can see my shirt today. This was given me by my dear friend, Chris Fontaine. And this was a reminder to me from church yesterday is love, 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 love. And that is something, the Beatles or, whatever song you have in your head today, get it in there and have it carry you through your day and long into what the future is going to be and what an impact you can have when you have love in your heart and you just let everything go and just take it minute by minute, hour by hour, day by day. And I promise you, you will be a healthy person because of it. So I wish you love. I wish you peace. And all you need is love, right? Have the best day ever.